Today, here at Our Repairs, we have a Samsung Galaxy A80 with a corrupted screen. This is a phone that I have not done yet, so we're going to repair this one. I've already heated up the back glass, so it's just a removable back glass. Start by taking off some of these panels because there's a lot of hidden screws underneath here. It's kind of strange. It looks like this phone has like a different type of camera module for an A model. It seems like it rotates here. Seems like this phone has been repaired before. There is adhesive that Samsung would not put in here in a smartphone like this. There you have it, guys. Samsung A80 completed within 30 minutes. Very cool phone, very cool design. Using the highest quality screen here at Our Repairs. If you need a repair, please give us a call.